Hi, West here. About to do a little work on the Hawk 250. So it's been a few days since we got started working on changing the tires on the Hawk. We started by changing the front tire, and actually it wasn't very difficult. Load the jack up on the opposite side. Give you guys a different idea of how this thing works and a different look at the bike. So when you put it on this side, the kickstand's going to get in the way, so you're going to have to lift the bike up. Look around the kickstand. You can just take your chances of being able to balance the bike and move out of your way. Balance the bike with one hand, adjust the jack with the other. Not too bad. Got to balance it on that jack. So using this grated piece of metal on top allows me to get a nice solid base. If it was something flat like a piece of wood, there's a little protruding nipple hanging off the bottom of that frame and it gets in the way. This is up plenty high enough. About 2 inches. And there's a safety latch on here. So it won't drop down if the jack fails. First thing we need to do is remove the back tire. 17 and 19. On the back of the bike, the 17 goes on the left, 19 on the right. Get in the right position. There we go. Push on one and pull on the other. Push on the left, pull on the right. There we go. 19 millimeter nut. I kept saying inch the other day, 20 millimeter inch or whatever, or 20 inch. You guys know what I meant, right? Okay, I think everything is good. I'm gonna start banging this axle bolt out. You can probably see it coming out on the other side. Like I said, we're gonna try to do the minimum. There we go. So this is probably like my second time taking this off. I think it's my second time taking it off, yeah. And the last time was a year ago, last winter. We had our first cold. I was like, okay, it's time. So after I pulled the axle bolt out, I lifted the tire up and away from this slot's on that slot there, on that notch that hangs out. Just slide out. Oh, there it goes. It slides out. So the sprocket on the chain was stopping me from getting the movement I needed. Not much room. Not much wiggle room. There we go, just a little pull and wiggle. Here we go, step by step.